Many people are wondering who Jaber Nyar Onagi was. Jaber Nyar Onagi was a wife to the Luo musician Aungo Wuod Awendo. This alludes to the Ohangla musician after her wife died at Mama Lucy Hospital while undergoing treatment. Lorina Chieng, who alias Jaber Nyar Onagi on TikTok, developed complication after delivery, leaving behind 1-week-old child. To the news reaching the Kenyan media, the Kenyan sensational Ohangla musician Prince Indah has sent her condolences to the family and friends of the late Mrs. Aungo Wuod Awendo. Prince Indah, in a quote, said that I send my condolences to the family and friends of the late Lorina Chieng, widely known as Jaber Nyar Onagi. Jaber Nyar Onagi was an entertainer and a promoter who made low music be widely known and entertainment to many. May the soul rest in eternal peace. Many musicians are sending their condolences, including several politicians who widely known Aungo Wuod Awendo. At the Kenyan media, we send our condolences to the family or friend of the late, as we pray for the family for the strength during this hard time. For our followers, we thank you for your support. May you follow us on all social media platforms. For any news popping up, we will bring you. The body of the late Lorina Chieng was transferred from Mama Lucy Hospital to Chiromo Mortuary, where the burial arrangement will be made. Then the body will be transferred to the rural home. Many people are being asked to support the family and the arrangement of the burial.